This is a tutorial on how to remove your front door card. The back door cards are similar, so should be easy to get off if you're looking to get your back door off as well. Tools you're going to need is a trim tool and a Phillips screwdriver and a tiny little screwdriver or a pick to remove one of the gaskets. So first off, you want to remove this little cover inside by your door handle, which reveals a little Phillips screwdriver. So we're just going to take that right out. This thing is quite long. Second of all, we need to remove the switch panel. So come from the back on these ones. To remove the plug, you need to push in this little tab on the side, which I won't be able to hold the camera and do at the same time. Next off, you need to remove these two Phillips on the inside. 1, 2. And then we're going to use our flat base screwdriver or a trim tool to go right underneath between the door card and the door. Then lever towards yourself. So then you pull it towards you. And then from here we're going to lift the door card. There's your door card removed. Obviously don't yank it, there is cables on the back. So then we have these two cables that go on the door handle. Just pull them towards the front of the door and unhook. And that is how to remove your door card. Obviously if you want to refit it, put the top part of the door card on first so it lips onto this lip. Then you can push the door card and all the clips will go back into its locating holes. Don't forget to put your cables back on when you go to refit it, otherwise you'll be taking it back off. Hope this little tutorial helps. Please like and subscribe.